Why 2 dates a day can boost your body's wellness. Welcome to Home Cooking and Home Remedies. In this video, we're going to talk about why eating 2 dates a day can boost your body's wellness. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest videos. Let's dive in. Why 2 dates a day can boost your body's wellness. Dates are a sweet and delicious fruit that have been consumed for thousands of years. In fact, the date palm tree has been cultivated for over 6,000 years and was considered a staple food in the Middle East. Dates are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, making them a nutrient-dense food that can improve your overall health. In this article, we'll explore why eating 2 dates a day can boost your body's wellness and provide scientific evidence to support this claim. 1. Rich in fiber. One of the main reasons why dates are beneficial for your health is because they are rich in fiber. Fiber is an essential nutrient that helps promote digestion and bowel regularity. Eating 2 dates a day can provide you with up to 6 grams of fiber, which is about 24% of the recommended daily intake. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that consuming a high-fiber diet was associated with a reduced risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes. 2. Antioxidant properties. Dates are also rich in antioxidants, which can help protect your body against cellular damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to the development of chronic diseases such as cancer, Alzheimer's, and heart disease. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that dates had a high antioxidant activity and could help prevent lipid oxidation, a process that can lead to cellular damage. 3. Source of energy. Dates are an excellent source of natural energy. They contain simple sugars such as glucose and fructose, which are easily digested and provide an immediate source of energy. Eating 2 dates a day can help improve your energy levels and reduce fatigue. A study published in the International Journal of Food Sciences and Nutrition found that consuming dates before exercise improved endurance performance and reduced fatigue. 4. Rich in essential vitamins and minerals. Dates are packed with essential vitamins and minerals that can help boost your body's wellness. They are a good source of potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6. Potassium is important for regulating blood pressure and supporting heart health. Magnesium is essential for bone health and plays a role in muscle and nerve function. Vitamin B6 is important for brain function and the production of red blood cells. 5. May help regulate blood sugar levels. Dates have a low glycemic index, which means they can help regulate blood sugar levels. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that consuming dates could help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. 6. May improve brain function. Dates are also rich in antioxidants that can help protect brain cells from damage. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that consuming dates could help improve cognitive performance in healthy older adults. 7. May reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to the development of many chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. Dates contain compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce inflammation in the body. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that dates could help reduce the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines in the body. In addition to their health benefits, dates are also a versatile and delicious food that can be incorporated into many recipes. They can be eaten on their own as a snack, added to smoothies or oatmeal for extra sweetness, or used in baking as a natural sweetener. In summary, eating 2 dates a day can provide many health benefits such as improved digestion, protection against cellular damage, increased energy levels, and support for heart and brain health. Additionally, dates are a versatile and delicious food that can be easily incorporated into your daily diet. Consider adding 2 dates to your daily routine and enjoy the benefits that this nutrient-dense fruit has to offer. And that's it for today's video. We hope you found this information helpful in understanding why 2 dates a day can boost your body's wellness. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and nutrition-related content. Also, leave a comment below and let us know what you think of dates and how you like to incorporate them into your diet. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.